How you guys doing? My name is Kevin Malwa, a former graduate here from JTech in 2023, and here's a few things you could expect from JTech. 3 things you can expect when coming to JTech is first, having great hands-on training. Second, it's going to be accumulating all the certifications you can. And third is going to be that job placement assistance. Something I would tell a student or a person that was thinking about joining a trade school is that you want to make sure you're looking to do something that you could do for the rest of your life. JTech in particular really helped me see here that the engines and the transmissions and diagnosing is something I could really get into and I could see myself doing for the rest of my life. My experience here at JTech was unlike any other. I did meet a lot of people that I actually still know to this day. I met a lot of instructors that helped me further my career even when I graduated. And when I was here, it was a great experience along with my fellow classmates and instructors learning about things like this and the automotive industry. After graduating JTech, I went out to become a service technician. Within a few years, I was invited back to become an automotive instructor here at JTech. To someone thinking about coming to JTech, I have 3 simple words. Do not wait. There's no better time than the present. Can't wait to see you at orientation.